viewers about sa pagpapakatotoo sa loob ng bahay.
Grabe.
Parang
Anong
yung tanong,
definition
pahirapan
doon?
na talaga.
Papakatotoo? For me, nagpapakatotoo, the definition for that for me is truly just speaking your mind without stepping on anyone. I don't believe I stepped on anyone. I didn't try to hate on anyone and try to change anyone's image of someone into the way I was thinking. Never did I say, huy, dapat ganito, dapat ganito. Everyone had their own opinions. And that's what I loved about our family inside of the house, na nire-respeto namin yung isa't isang opinion. I just spoke on how I felt. I spoke on the thoughts that were running through my head. And if I had said something that, and overthinker po kasi ako. So if I had said something that I feel like, oh shoot, this might have hurt someone, ika-confront ko po agad sila. That's that. I think that's my definition of nagpapakatotoo. I wouldn't want to keep that in and continue to look at this person like ganito, ganito, ganito. At least because of what I felt, I let it out. I talked to this person. They told me their side, and I was able to understand kung bakit ganun. Kasi at the end of the day, we all come from different stories. We all come from different traumas. So someone could be acting a certain way because they went through this. They have walls built up because they went through this, which is something you will only understand if you choose to talk to the person. Yes, may mga nasabi po ako, pero inamin ko po agad sa tao mismo. I told them right away na I said this about you. This may hurt you, and I will understand if I hurt you because that's hurtful if you said it about me also. But please let me know bakit ganito. And throughout the week, throughout the days, I would truly understand it and I would see it and I would defend this person also when there were other issues that would happen. So that's my definition of nagpapakatotoo.
Ako natutuwa ako dahil hindi ka nabulol sa pagpapakatotoo.
Ako din.
Diba?
Ako din.
Parang bongga yun.
I've been running through it in my head. Misconceptions. Ano ba yung second question po ulit?
Ayan, ang sabi niya, sa mga viewers naman daw, yung about sa pagpapakatotoo mo inside the house.
Valid. I understand. With what you guys saw, with how different our cultures are. I also understand na galing din po ako Canada, so very different than you switch. Yes. But I understand everyone in this world has a different opinion, different culture, yun pa, different story, like I keep saying, and I keep saying that I am not everyone's cup of tea, but I will continue. Just know that I will continue always to try my best to be better. Everything you guys are saying online, yung mga comments, may mga nagagulat po na, bakit naka-on na yung comments ni AC? And it's like, why? I want to know what you think of me. I want to listen. I want to be better. And that's all I can do for you from now on. No matter how much I apologize and let you know that I acknowledge my mistakes, the best thing for me to do for myself and for you is to just show you that I will be better and I will grow.
Pero easy, di ba? Ngayon na talagang nai-express mo yung feelings mo, yung nararamdaman mo, na nabasa mo, yung mga napakaraming mga nasabi against you, about you online. Alam mo, nakakabilib yan, nakaka-proud yan. Kasi hindi lahat kayang i-acknowledge eh. Di ba? And yung sinasabi mo na valid kung ano man yung nakita ninyo, yun ang pagiging totoo.
Yes.
Di ba? Na kung nagkamali ako, tinanggap mo.
Yes
diba?
po. It's the same way as whatever issues had happened inside na kinonfront ko, sila din po, kinakonfront ako. And I understand. Again, with an open mind, we were able to solve problems.
Inside. Curious question before I proceed to the next set of questions. Paglabas mo, of course, diba, you experience na the ABS-CBN Ball, ang daming mga celebrities, parang nakapag-reunite ka with some of your friends from the business. Siyempre, I'm sure they're also aware of what is happening, di ba? May mga lumapit ba, aside from, bukod kala Darren, yung talagang malalapit sa'yo, may mga lumapit pa sa'yo at nag-tap sa shoulder mo at nagsabi, AC, okay lang yan. Di ba?
Madami po. I think the ABS-CBN Ball was also my way to reconnect talaga with the outside world. Kasi first few days, kinulong ko po talaga sarili ko. As a normal human being, nasasaktan naman din po ako. So when I did see stuff, I chose to sit and just understand and stay home with my friends and mom, of course. But when I got to the ball, sobrang overwhelming din po. And I wasn't supposed to go because I thought I would still be inside. So nakahabol pa po ako sa ball. Sobrang rushed po yung dress and getting ready and all of that. Pero kinaya po. And when I got there, I was really, really having bad anxiety because aside from obviously it being a big gathering, I just came from a house na
Very
18 lang kami.
yes.
Sobrang isolated po kami. Walang phone, walang ano-ano. And then I come out and I see all these people and I see cameras and I see lights. It's a very big thing that not a lot of people will understand. But there was a lot of people who went up to me and they're just like, AC, okay lang. We know you. We've known you for almost 10 years now. Kilala nila po ako na,
Pagkatabi ang table natin.
oh, like there's a lot of people who are just like, it's okay. And those words meant so much to me. And I keep telling everyone that all of you guys have been helping me get through what I need to get through.
Yes, ayan. Thank you so much, AC. Now, eto na. Ang susunod naman na katanungan ay magmumula naman kay Carlos Aragon of Mega Kapamilya. Ito naman medyo siguro wala to sa PBB. Parang yung mga questions niya, parang ang sarap din antayin namin lahat at parinig ang sagot mo.
Okay po.
His first question is, ano ba ang biggest pet peeve ni AC?
Biggest pet peeve?
Sobrang na, yun ang pet peeve na biggest pa, di ba?
Madami po. I think, hold on. Different po eh. When Ate Ivana asked this in the house, kasi one of our first days, we were getting along with each other and seeing what we don't like, so that we don't do it in the house. Ako po, when Ate Ivana asked me, I said my biggest pet peeve, or one of my biggest pet peeves, is when people live life on a hierarchy. Does that make sense? Na parang, lahat-lahat naman po tayo, we're all human beings at the end of the day. So, it's not hard to say hi to the marshals or the janitors. We shouldn't be treating these people differently from how we are just because of this hierarchy. So, that's one of my biggest pet peeves.
Dapat kahit anuman, pantay-pantay tayo, di ba?
Yes.
Kindness.
Human beings at the
Diba?
end of the day. Yes.
Oo. Meron pa ako naalalang pet peeve, pero kailang hindi na tanong dito. Wala dito, napanood ko lang kasi.
Ano yun?
Ayoko, atin na lang yun. Okay. Eto, susunod, AC, ayan. Tatanong ko talaga sa'yo to. Kamusta kayo ni Harvey after mong lumabas ng bahay? May mga sinabi na ba siya hindi na ako ni hindi kasi ako naman natanong, nakasulat siya. Tsaka hindi kasama ko si Harvey nung nasa loob ko ng bahay, huwag ka mag-alala. Nagkita ka pamilya kami sa Pasig.
Oo, alam ko!
Alam mo, okay,
Alam ko. Okay po kami, as in okay na okay po kami. Kaya nagulat po ako when people would go up to me and be like, ganito. Hindi ko po alam na naging issue din po siya sa labas. But for anyone asking, me and Harvey are okay. We're totally good. If anything, we have gotten stronger because the time apart and the time of not having communication made us stronger individually. So now that we're back together, we chose to be with each other, has made us so much stronger. Though may mga issues, alam ko po na nagsisirculate, but he knows me eh. People know me na when I feel close to a person, with Darren, nakikita niyo naman po ako with Darren na ganun po talaga ako with no malisya, no meaning at all. And I clarified so many times in that house na may jowa nga po ako, na may Harvey po ako. And and ano po, like yung tingin ko sa kanya, let's talk about it now. Kay Michael sa bahay, I would tell him all the time na you're like my dad. You're like my Canadian buddy na iba kasi yung feeling pag connected home. Connected to home. Yes, na I know the things I say, he won't take it in a different way. But he really did, truly, made me feel like home, made me feel like Vancouver. Because we're both from Vancouver po kasi. As in, we know details about our school life, ganun po. So, he made me feel like home and Harvey understood that and we've been good since then.
Di ba? Sa mga pagsagot mo na ganyan,